Okay, so let's talk about ghee and intestinal health. Ghee basically is called clarified butter. So you take the butter and you boil it and you separate the proteins, the whey and all the solids from the oil, and you're left with just the oil. So if you have sensitivity towards the milk protein, ghee is a best alternative to butter. It is very high in butyrate. Butyrate is what microbes actually make from the fiber. Butyrates feed the colon, cells of the intestine also, and it's a very healthy fat because it is high in fat soluble vitamins. It's high in medium chain fatty acid or triglycerides, and it's also puts the body in the ketosis state, so it actually increases the metabolism or burning the fat itself.